and let's move on from there instead. Okay, so we have an 88 degrees. So just now we were over here. Okay, just now our character was over this position where the mouse cursor is, and the enemy is over here, and we get an 88 degrees. So from this point to this point, just imagine drawing a line that reaches 88 degrees. Okay, which means that our character rotation is also wrong. It needs to times -1. Okay, on the right. Okay, this is almost 90 degrees. Okay, so if on the right, if we do not times -1, okay, we're just waiting for 5 mana, which should be any moment now. Okay. So I'm just trying to move to the left of this enemy over here. Okay, press S. Okay, if I rotate 90 degrees, it becomes like this. What if I rotate minus 90? Okay, so this is not working. So what we're going to do is we're going to limit the angle itself to maybe a small range of 25 instead. Okay, but depending on the angle between the 2 points, we will position bit differently. Angle. Oh. Okay, wait a second. Okay, let's try commenting out the 2 lines. Okay, I made some changes, so let's see if it works now. Okay, let's use the random angle instead. -25 minus 25. Okay, so instead of a negative value, we'll get a positive one. Okay, and we will randomly decide to make it negative if okay, so that we don't get 0, an angle of 0, I mean. Okay, so depending on this angle and depending on this angle, we will decide where to position bit after he dashes through the enemy. Okay, which means that we have to change this line. Okay, so for the first hit, okay, if angle, okay, less than maybe 45, which means that it is the top left, or rather minus 45. Okay, nearest Y. Okay, Y offset. Okay, this is to decide where we'll place the character in terms of the Y-axis. Hey Jabuba, welcome to the White Sponge live stream. How's your day coming along? Okay, right. Okay, for today's live stream session, we are focusing on adding a new special skill for Beat, who is your first playable character for Stars. Oh, okay, we should put greater than instead. Okay, right now we are making sure that the animation and the rotation angle is correct for the animation. Okay, we won't know until we test it, so let's test that. Okay, so we have to make sure that the enemy that we are about to test is on the left of Beat. So let's defeat the other enemies first. Okay, so when we press S now, okay, the angle is 89, which is around 90. Okay, but looks like the random angle. Okay, we need to find out what the random angle is. Okay, the random angle is something that we randomly decide so that the animation can appear slightly random and not the same every time. Okay, by the way, we might spend quite some time on this special skill animation. Okay, as we want to make sure that we get it right. Okay, so let's try the breakhead over here. Nearest X is 7. Okay, let's try to see if we can find a nearer enemy. Okay, an enemy on the left means that we need to be on the right of the enemy. Okay, the random angle is 29 degrees. Okay, so if we put in 29 over here, it should look like this instead. So let's see where we went wrong. Okay, let's try another method of rotating angle. Okay, all of this might seem boring for now. Okay, but once we get the animation right, okay, trust me, it will look very cool. Okay, when the animation for the special skill is done. 70 degrees. So it's okay, so that means we need to -1, or rather times -1. Okay, so now the rotation is finally correct. We just need to make sure that the angle is correct. Okay, so now the angle, this is the angle minus Hey Arbitrum, welcome to the White Sponge live stream. I hope I have pronounced your name correctly. Yeah, okay, so how's your day coming along? Okay, so this is the first rotating angle. So we need to do this 5 times. Okay, just to check, just now the angle was around 35. Okay, so the character ended up above the enemy, which is correct. So over here, we'll do the same thing, but we'll check for the right hand side. Okay, so now we need to use the special skill when an enemy is on the right of your character. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, by the way, you can also go from, okay, when you game over, you can also go back to the character selection screen over here by pressing M. Okay, so if this enemy is on my right and I press the S key, okay, so the angle and the rotation and the ending position of this first hit is correct. Okay, but maybe we just need to reduce the angle or the random angle so it looks better. Okay, so now we just need to do that 5 times for the 5 hit combo. Okay, so over here, let's do it 5 times. Hey Mr. Turtle Gaming Time, welcome to the White Sponge live stream. How's your day coming along? Okay, for today's live stream session, we are focusing on adding a new skill, a new special skill. I won't say but the only special skill for the first playable character whose name is Beat. Okay, so now we are going to test whether the 5 hit combo works or not.